So I just want to start this course off and say a big thank you for enrolling. This course that myself and Thomas have created won't disappoint. It's a huge course. In fact, it's one of the largest, most in-depth Ethereum development courses available online. And on top of that, it has many practical exercises where you can put everything that you've learned in regards to Ethereum development into practice to actually create something of value. You won't regret enrolling. Now, if you're not aware of who we are, I'll give you a little introduction to us both. That way you can know more about your instructors on this course, and should you have any questions whilst going through the course, you can feel free to reach out to any of us in the course discussion board for help. So I'll begin with myself briefly. I'm a certified Bitcoin professional teaching over 20,000 people around the world. I've been involved in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space since 2013. I initially started out by teaching live classes, which then led to the creation of B21 Block, where along with a team of co-instructors, we deliver high quality, engaging and practical cryptocurrency and blockchain education online. Now with Thomas, he's a technology leader in the truest sense, with many years of hands-on experience in software engineering. He has over 8 years of experience as a software engineer developing SaaS, over 3 years experience in leading software engineering teams, a master's in computer science, an expert in Ethereum, blockchain and many other technologies. So you can be assured that you have a great set of helpful and skillful instructors leading you through this entire course. Now, let me move on to covering what we'll be going over in this course. Once I'm done with that, you'll be let loose into the next lecture where we're going to dive into Ethereum and Solidity development. We're going to walk you through a hands-on example right away. But right now, let me just go over some of the key things that we'll be going over in this course. We'll be covering so much more, but I just want to highlight as a list some of the key areas that we'll be going over in this course with you. So we'll be going over the following throughout this course. Deep diving into Ethereum and Solidity development, developing a Hello World application in a private network, giving you a solid understanding of the blockchain and the technology around it, helping you to understand how smart contracts operate upon the blockchain, making sure that you're aware of the core development tools for Ethereum blockchain development, looking into and understanding the differences between ENS and DNS, understanding how to work with web-based APIs as well as oracleize it, understanding the core development functions of Ethereum development at a deep level, learning about the different stages of contract deployment and how they're deployed, learning about all the different blockchain types and how they work as blockchains, being fully aware of decentralization as you're working with decentralized technology, creating your very own decentralized wallet app to help you learn the fundamentals of Solidity, understanding how to implement Web3 to create the application we're creating on this course, learning how to use Ethereum Studio to develop, debug and publish your applications, using your learned knowledge on Ethereum Studio to develop a powerful multi-signature wallet, and learning how to create a CV which can be added to the blockchain. Now that's just the list of some of the key areas that we'll be covering in detail within this course. I really can't wait for you to get started on this course. So what I'm going to do now is silence myself and let Thomas take you over in the very next lecture, and we're going to dive straight into Ethereum and Solidity development. And what we're going to do is get you started on all the practical aspects of this course right away. So we're going to jump straight in. Enjoy.